The VTM Toolkit, a self-assessment application, a risk assessment tool for ports, a MarNIS instrument for the improvement of nautical safety, environmental issues, security, leading to port business. A self-assessment tool for any port, no matter what the size, no matter what the differences. 84% of EU ports may be categorized as small, 14% as medium, and just 2% as large. Different situations, different risk factors, different solutions to minimize the risks. The toolkit guides the user through a process of hazard identification, determination of causes, and defining risk control options. This all leads to a weighted and prioritized overview of the hazards a port is facing, together with a prioritized risk control option list. Or, in other words, a to-do list for the harbour master or pilot or terminal manager or any other stakeholder interested in the safe, secure and efficient operation of a port. That could be extra AIS equipment for the VTS tower, or new procedures, but also an extra fence at the terminal area. Based on FSA principles, the user will plot the most likely and worst credible scenarios for a certain hazard in the risk matrix, estimating the effects and the probability of that hazard. In effect, the VTM toolkit is a sophisticated checklist that raises the awareness of safety, security and the environment. Tailor-made, proactive. The toolkit is based on the principle of proportional vessel traffic management and as such aims for proportional solutions. For some smaller ports, a planning tool or traffic management based on AIS, for example, might be a better option than a system with radar sensors. It may be cheaper and still meet the objectives as well as a more expensive option. Executing a port assessment is an ongoing process that requires reviewing from time to time to monitor new developments. A system that is alive uses a track record that will provide an insight into the results of already taken measures. It also fulfills the demands of transparency that every public body is faced with nowadays. The tool will lead to extensively considered policy decisions and smart management support. The Port Assessment Toolkit, a self-assessment tool to improve safety, security, environmental protection and port business for any port, big or small.